Sometimes, Mary, I think you're after my very soul.
I am.
Mary, this is unworthy even of you. I am, after all, a priest.
You are a man first, Ralph de Bricasseur.
No, Mary. Priest first, last, and always.
Did you ever think of me as your best friend? Did I ever think of you? I'm not complaining. I never tried to feel, I never tried to see this vibration. I never tried to reach, I never tried to reach you either.
God knows how much I've hurt you. I do love you.
Yes, you love me, and God more than me, and yourself most of all, Ralph.
You're wrong, Mary. I know how to be a man. But to be a man on your terms is to be no priest. And I have chosen to be a priest. She's a beautiful, intelligent little girl, and yet no one seems to give a rap about her.
Which means you can be sure of her love. And it's all so innocent and so safe for you, isn't it? No danger to your reputation. No threat to those not-so-holy ambitions of yours.
Mary, I'm a priest. Only that. And content.
I'm complaining.
Take care. In trying so hard to destroy my soul, you may lose your
I
own.
never tried to feel, I never tried
Without Satan, there's no struggle. And it's the struggle that keeps us alive.
Oh, no. What keeps us alive is the point of that struggle. The hope of attaining perfection.
Well, by perfection you mean heaven. But you have to die to get there, don't you?
Sometimes, Mary, I think you know me better than I know myself.
I'm certain of that, too.
Oh, she knew me so well. She knew if she stripped you of everything, I'd have no choice. But no. She made sure you'd neither want for anything nor have anything either. All your life, you'll have to look to me. Meggie, when I saw you last night, I almost hated you.
Hated me? For growing up?
Yes.
You can marry me. You love me.